Hi, welcome to my channel, Natural Remedies for Acne. Acne is a common skin condition, and several natural remedies may help alleviate symptoms. Number 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties that may help combat acne-causing bacteria. It also possesses anti-inflammatory effects, reducing redness and swelling. How to use it. Dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil, applying a small amount to affected areas. Avoid using undiluted tea tree oil directly on the skin. 2. Honey and cinnamon mask. Honey has antibacterial properties, while cinnamon is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Combining them into a mask may help soothe and cleanse the skin. How to use it. Mix honey and cinnamon to form a paste, apply to the face, and leave on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and wound-healing properties. It may help reduce inflammation associated with acne and promote skin healing. How to use extract gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to the affected areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. 4. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds. It may help reduce sebum production and fight inflammation. How to use it. Brew green tea, allow it to cool, and apply it to the skin using a cotton ball. Alternatively, green tea extract can be found in some skincare products. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties and may help balance the skin's pH. It's essential to dilute it before use. How to use it. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Apply the solution to the skin using a cotton ball. Leave it for a few minutes and rinse. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may help reduce acne-related inflammation and support overall skin health. How to use it. Create a paste by mixing turmeric powder with water or honey. Apply the paste to the face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing. 7. Probiotics. Probiotics promote a healthy gut, and there's evidence linking gut health to skin conditions including acne. Consuming probiotic-rich foods or supplements may positively impact skin health. How to use it. Include probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or take probiotic supplements as part of your diet. Always perform a patch test before using these remedies, and discontinue use if any irritation occurs. It's advisable to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice tailored to your skin type and condition. Please subscribe to my channel